What if you could run Claude code from your own scripts? No terminal, no interactive prompts, just pure automation. That's headless mode and the Agent SDK. Headless mode means running Claude programmatically. No interactive prompts. Perfect for automation, CI pipelines, and scripting. 3 ways to do it: CLI print mode, Python SDK, and TypeScript SDK. CLI print mode. -p. Pipe a file in, get an explanation out. Pipe get diff in, get a code review. Add --output -format JSON for structured data. Pipe in, get output, done. Python SDK import Claude code, create an agent, run a task. Full programmatic control. You can define custom tools, set permissions, and build entire automation workflows. TypeScript SDK, same capabilities, JavaScript ecosystem. Import, create, run. Build custom AI coding tools on top of Claude Code's engine. Recap: 3 ways to automate Claude code. CLI for quick scripts. Python and TypeScript SDKs for building apps. The foundation for your own AI coding tools. Subscribe for more.